there's those 3 cubes. Now, before we do that, let's go to collect for a second and let's look at Masters of the Universe Wave 2, right, before we do anything else. So, you can see here, what are we looking at? What we need, what we have. Okay. So, we have got all commons and uncommons, so we're good there. The rares are the elements. So, Orko and Beastman. Orko and Beastman. We got the Terracotta Orko and the Agate Beastman. Those are kind of cool. And then in the epics, we don't have any of the epics. So for me, I'm really looking for a Peppermint Orko.
We don't have any of the epics?
Not in this volume, no. Nope. See? So I'm looking for a Peppermint Orko or an Orange Trapjaw. Those will be my 2.
I'm looking for Coco Beastman. Okay.
And then in the legendaries, all the golds, any one of those that we don't have would be cool. I mean, we just got that Orko, so we've got a Beastman and a Trapjaw. Trapjaw's eyes are kind of cool. And then naturally any Grails or Ultra Grails. All right, so we're looking for Coco, Beastman, Peppermint Orko, and Orange Trapjaw as our top 3 hopefuls. Mm-hmm. All right, let's see. Now, that said, we have not had good luck lately between us, so we got to decide who's going to do these first. The last time we did this, we had a rock, paper, scissors, which worked out for me. Do you feel like you can beat me in rock, paper, scissors this time?
Yeah!
You do? All right, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Chop, chop, chop! I choppy, choppy, nicky, nicky. Okay, let's see. Daddy's turn, and I'm going to change it up by going right smack dab in the middle. Hey, I chopped your paper, so I get to choose.
No!
Now, if it's a dupe, then it's your turn. Okay. Let's see. Let's go. Come on, Cryptoys. Do us right. Give us what we need. Click, 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 click. Fuck. And a common Trapjaw, uncommon Trapjaw, which we definitely have. We have all the uncommons. Well, bad news is we already have that. Good news is it's Nikki's next choice. Hey, but look, 221. Not a bad cereal. If you're going to go dupe, get a good cereal. All right, kiddo. So this one's on you.
This is what you're going with. So am psych. I'm always going with the ones, no matter what.
No matter what. Okay. Now, if I got a dupe and you got a dupe, we're going to have the rock, paper, scissors for it, I guess. But if you pull something new, magic touch means next cube's yours. All right. There you have it, guys. What are we feeling? Come on, baby. Let's go.
My magic touch.
Common, which we, of course, have. Common Teela. All right. And now, the final cube before we have a sad, empty backpack.
That's going to make me cry.
Okay. So, all right. I think I have your rock, paper, scissors logic figured out. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, no! You got me! I thought you were going to go rock, thinking I was going to choose scissors.
Oh, no.
I thought you were going to try to smash my scissors, so I was going to cover your rock.
No.
You got me. All right. Well, I couldn't even rock, paper, scissors, so I probably was not going to have good luck on the cube. Okay. We have so much fun doing this. We love this. Cryptoys team, what you guys did here is
I can't
really...
do this, but
well, while you're waiting for it, you can, so... There we go. Okay. Oh, so many fun moments we've had together thanks to Cryptoys. And... uncommon Beastman, which we have. All the uncommons.
I don't know what you would have.
The underbite.
More like
What's our cereal? Hey, 900. Anything under 1,000 for me is good. 3 digits. All right, and look. Oh, 0. Look at that 0.
Want to see my Beastman face?
Yeah. There you go. Well, that's it. Look at that. 190 wrapped, 24 unwrapped, and 0 ready to go. So, but you guys know how it is, right? This is not the end. This is the end for now, right? We will definitely sink some more bucks into this collection and see what we get before long.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for hanging with us along the way, guys. And we will see you again soon.